Hello guys, my name is The Bird Boy, and today I'm going to be playing some more Happy Wheels for you guys. Okay, so let's start it off. Minecraft quiz easy quiz. Minecraft easy quiz by Log Attack 6849. This is my second level. Hope you enjoy. Segway guy. Oh. Oh. Am I supposed to be him or what? Okay then. Oh. Oh. Yeah, no. This ain't a Minecraft quiz. Playing by Banen. No comment. Segway guy. Oh yes, I am very Russian to get to work. Whee! Boing, 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 boing. Oh, son of a... Oh! Yes, very nice day. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, ready, I'm going to eject. Good, okay, ready, go. Okay, ready, go. Okay, ready. Wait. No! Oh, he died. Okay, wait. Okay, now, we're in the safari. No, we're not, Oh! No, yes! No! No, just disembodied, just chop off the leg, it's already in half! Got it. Ooh! Yes. Oh no, my helmet! I wanted my helmet! Wait! Yes! Harpoon Run by XX Michael XX113. It's a classic Happy Wheels. Yes, it is actually. You're gonna get a harpoon to the ass, son. See? Didn't I tell ya? Go! Go! Go with the harpoon! No! 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 Whee! Alright, let's retry that. Whip! Whip! I keep taking harpoons up the ass. Oh! That's how I roll! Yes, that is how I roll. I will win and get fun. CD by Login to Hargrove. Okay, let's do this. I am rushing to get to work. I am rushing to get to work. I am rushing to get to work. I am rushing. Oh, that didn't work. Whip. 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 Ow. It's like a shower. I don't even know what I'm doing. PewDiePie Quiz by Noxer QQ. Sweden. PewDiePie's from Sweden. Move out of my wax. Oh, it's Maya. Maya. The dog's name is Maya. Oh, lost my leg. Yeah, it's Lady Gaga. Sorry, it's a little laggy. It's pink. It's bros. Here, hold on. Find Gold by Daniel2343. Rate 5 by Daniel Tulu. Yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, go, get up. Yeah. Whip. Ah. Oh my God. Whee. Ah, look at that. I'm stuck between two walls. Yeah, I'm not finishing this level. I'm sorry. Oh, crap. No. Oh, where was I? Fun level by Leon VT. Hard but possible. Yippee. Weep. Weep. Boop. Boop. Yes, no lights. No. Oh, crap. Oh, I just went back down. Woo, come on, I can make it. No! No! Don't get stuck. Come on, don't get stuck. This thing is violating me. I don't want to be violated anymore. Just leave me alone. Old Lady. Dang it! Old Lady Run by Mariolo. Help her and rate S above. What? Up. Oh no! Don't lose the Coke. I made the Coke. You. Yes. 8 seconds and 60. No. Yeah. Survival Part 2 by Yana Bin 123. I apologize for a long time. Did not spread college. Whip. No. Dang it. No, don't exit. Whip. Oh. There he went. Up. Finally, that little crapper is gone. Oh, so much. No, that ain't gonna happen. Kill Your Kid by Totally Awesome 422. Kill your kid and just watch. Yes. Hey, look, my legs are still dancing. Bump. Oh, never mind. I died. No! Go. Oops. No! Go. Whoop. Oh! No. 1% Possible by Tigger Ninja. So freaking hard. Giggity. It's probably gonna be. Oh God. Yeah. No, thank you. The Protector by 1.0 by Big Bloodhead. It's hard but fun. You must protect the bottle, Bootel, Rain and Throat. What? Nope. I can't. I'm dead. I can't! I'm dead! I can't. It's impossible. God, I'm just failing a lot. Dual Ball Throw by DF Hoof. 2 ball throws in one level 1. And Oh, I don't care. Oh! I bumped the camera. I am so sorry. Free food! I want free food! Yes. Whoop. What? Oh. Ready? More balls. Oh. Oh, catch it again. Oh. Okay. Win it. No. Oh, yes. This wins it all. Oh, it went through. Oh, hey, it came back. Oh, yes. Come on. No. What? Oh. Get the ball in. No. No. Yes. Oh, I was so close. Epic Sword by the Dark Master Pro. Save, replay, and rate. Maybe. Stupid ninja. Oh. Right in his ass. Right in my face. Nobody. Fat lady! Justin Bieber! Yes! I also killed myself, so it was a success. No. Oh. Aha! Stupid fat lady. You ready? No. Oh. Oh, God. My leg. My legs. Haha, he said it. Ooh. Nope, ain't gonna happen. Super Cannon Portuguese by David. Suspense. Un, dos. Football. Oh, surprise. Oh, yippee. I don't know. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Oh, fucker! Yes! He's finally dead! Yes! No! No! Good. I hope he died. He needed to die. Facebook or Twitter. Miguel Docker. Watch. I'm just gonna have to go to the finish line. Facebook, cause I don't know what. I know what Twitter is. Yeah. Ninja Training Demo by Stormzy. Sorry, that's the right version. Oh, damn it. Okay, ready? Ooh, damn it. Son. Oh. Yes, I'm a ninja. Dang it! Son! Oh, damn! Ready? Yes. Well, that sucked. I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you did and join the Everybody Army. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, and please leave a comment and tell me how I did. And as always, have a good day.